Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this adorable kit, and this is from Planning with Manny, and it's called Manny Duke. And if you know me, you know I am obsessed with Planning with Manny. I pulled out a few things from my stash that I think will go pretty well with this kit, and these are some functional boxes in the fall colors, some doodle boxes, and some little dots. I also have a bunch of extra things that I will use when it comes to my actual planning part, which I don't do here because technically this was a pre-plan, but then we had a water leak, and so this is like really late going up. So I still wanted to share it with you because this is an absolutely adorable kit. It's still available in her shop, and yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. I love the colors. It's super, super bright. It's absolutely adorable. And I'm going to tell you just a teeny bit about Planning with Manny in case you're not familiar with them and where you can find them, because yeah, it's really easy to get obsessed with this particular little couple here. So this is a husband and wife team. He does, I think, all the artwork or most of the artwork, and then she does all of the manufacturing of the stickers. And this is their dog. Well, you'll see their dog is Manny, and I want to say he's a golden lab. And then the cat is Owen, and then they have a new puppy coming, so there's going to be so I'm positive there's going to be some new absolutely adorable puppy stickers coming. And the puppy's name, I believe, according to the Facebook, is Papillon Toast McLean, and it is another little golden lab, and it's absolutely adorable. So I can't wait to see the stickers that they come up with for this little baby puppy. So this here, I'm using my TPC planner. So it's a TPC Nation Planner. I'll leave it linked below along with the Planner with Manny shop. And this particular planner is set up a little bit different. It's a regular normal size planner. The what is it, 7 by 9? I can't remember what the dimensions of the whole thing is, but it's basically the same size as like a regular Erin Condren or Happy Planner, the standard size. The box sizes, same thing. They're 1.5 wide. They're just smaller. That doesn't mean that you can't use a standard vertical kit, which that is what this is in this particular planner. I've used both TPC Nation sticker kits that are specifically made for the TPC planner, which I have some in my shop, just a few. And then I've also used, as you can see here, the standard vertical. So you don't have to only use certain types of planners in these because they do have the same box width. Sometimes you might have to do a little bit of sticker surgery if you're using like one of those standard vertical kits that's made for both Happy Planner and Erin Condren style planners, because the washi will be a little bit bigger in order to accommodate both. So you might have to do like a little bit of sticker surgery in order for the washi part of it, like the bottom washi. But for the most part, I actually like using the regular vertical kits because there's a lot more of those available, even though I'm trying to add more of the TPC Nation specifically for this planner in my shop. I don't have very many. There are quite a few shops out there that are in the usually in the TPC sale. And if you don't know, I keep saying TPC. If you don't know what TPC is, it's the Planner Collaborative. They're over on Facebook, and it's like a community of people who love planners, love stickers, and shops and we have a sale every month, and there's usually like anywhere from 30 to 35 shops in the sale, and everybody has like these amazing deals and freebies and bundles, and it's just a great place to just meet people and plan and play, and it's just really great place. So I will also leave that linked below if you want to go check that out. But this is one of the shops that is a regular in the TPC, so you will always be able to, once a month they have a sale that is totally, well, they have more than that, but once a month it's a TPC sale, and they have a nice discount, and so you can stock up on your Planning with Manny stickers like I do. I order from them. This is one of I want to say two. I only have two shops that I absolutely have to buy from every single month. This is one of them for sure. You can tell by watching some of my haul videos, you will always see Planning with Manny in there. And then Avalon and Ninth is the other one. And then I kind of alternate between the other shops depending on what kinds of stuff they have that's new that month that I want, because I can always use my own stickers, but that's not fun. I like using other people's stickers. My stickers are just, I think they're just as good, and I do use them sometimes as everybody else's, but I don't have anything like this, obviously, because this is Amy and her husband's artwork, so I don't have anything like this. And sometimes I just love other people's the way they're set up. I even get the same artwork that I have from from another sticker shop just because I like their layout. Like I like the way their sticker sheets are set up, or I like the way their boxes are set up. So I don't know. I'm just weird like that. Anyway, get back to this little layout here. I don't really have anything exciting to talk about this time because I told you about my water leak. I did take a quick trip back to California and met my new, so it's not my niece, it's my niece's baby. So what's that? A grandniece, I guess. So my grandniece, I met her. She's just a little over a month old. Absolutely adorable. Got to snuggle with her for a little bit. If my little granddaughter was there, she'd be totally jealous because this baby got so much snuggles while I was there. And while we were there, I got to meet up with all of the family, my boys. I got to meet up with my husband's dad and my friend Jessica, who I have not seen in like 3 years. And oh my gosh, I flew. So I saw her in the parking lot. We went to downtown Disney. I saw her in the parking lot walking up to meet me at the gate, and we were driving by, and she was kind of walking towards the gate, and I flew out of the car and like just jumped on her, and it was just the greatest thing ever. I haven't seen her, and it was just so nice to spend some time with her. Jess, if you're watching this, I had a fantastic time, and I can't wait till you come visit up here and check this place out and move here and work with me again forever and ever. So there, that's it. So back to the planner. These boxes, because I got the mini kit, you can get so many sheets from Planning with Manny that you will never need to supplement with any other sheets. But for this particular kit, I just ordered those 2 pages that you saw in the beginning. I didn't order the full kit because I think during this haul I had ordered a couple of other kits from her, and so I did not go hog wild crazy and get the ultimate kits. The ultimate kits have die cuts and all kinds of stuff in them, and I don't think I did that in this particular one, obviously because I'm only using 2 pages, but because has a lot of oranges and kind of browns and that kind of color, because it is it's got to be the same colors as the General Lee. I thought my fall stuff would match pretty well. So I was able to pull in my own stickers with this. So if you guys ever need to supplement, most of the shops out there sell functional stickers, and they usually do them in colorways like I do. And so usually you can find something that's pretty similar. So you don't always have to buy like the ultimate kit and have 500,000 boxes. You can usually, supplement with stuff that you might even have in your stash already, or if you've got some functionals from just look through all your stickers and see what you got. I know I have, a lot of stickers, and so sometimes you guys don't always have as many stickers as we do because we make our own, but maybe you could also have some white space, because I don't know, I should have done some white space in here. I went a little overboard with the stickers. I have a whole lot of actually this is already done because it's the 14th through the 20th, and I filled in every single box. So I'm actually pretty proud of myself because it looks really good. So this is it. This is the whole thing. I hope you guys love this spread. I can't wait for you guys to check out Planning with Manny. Like I said, I'll leave everything linked below, and I will have another plan with me, which is a little late, coming up soon. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.